It's August 8th. Last time I washed this car was June 15th. Yeah, it's awful dirty as you saw. Let's see if I can get it a little cleaner. Before we start, let's have a look at all the stuff that I used to actually clean this car. Yes, it looks substantially cleaner. Look at this here a minute. Look at that. You saw how filthy it was going to Wyoming and all. Yep, you can clean it yourself. It looks great. The car is in good shape, as you know. Look at the wheels, Martian wheels. Pretty clean. There you have it. You can clean it yourself. It's not a big deal. I used a little pressure washer, I used a little water and a little elbow grease, and I was able to get the Model Y here pretty darn clean. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen gives you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. Look for my upcoming trip. It should be tomorrow. Take care.